Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix WhatsApp notifications not showing. So I have here two ways for you to do. So the first one is to open your WhatsApp application on your device. Okay, now click on the three dots at the top right corner of your screen. Okay, now click on settings. And then scroll down until you see the notifications option. Okay, now just toggle the switch on so that you'll be able to receive notifications on WhatsApp. Okay, that's right. Can also turn on some of the options here. Okay, now that is the first tip. For the second one is you just have to go to your phone's settings and then scroll down, look for the apps. Okay, now click on manage apps. Okay, now look for your WhatsApp application from there. Okay, now as you can see, you just have to click on notifications and then turn this switch on. Okay, and that way you'll be able to receive notifications from WhatsApp. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.